Hi, welcome to Class 11. Public Speaking and Everyday Speech Lesson Objectives. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to understand the components of effective speech: tone, pace, pauses, clarity, and power words. Structure their thoughts logically before speaking. Communicate with confidence in formal and informal settings. Deliver short, impactful talks. Use voice and body language to engage listeners. Section 1. The Power of Speech in Everyday Life. Why public speaking matters. Public speaking is not just for stages or large audiences. It is also introducing yourself at work, making a phone call, leading a meeting, expressing your thoughts in a conversation. Everyday speech is public speaking in miniature. What makes speaking effective? Effective speakers organize their thoughts, use clear language, speak with confidence and energy, adjust tone and pace for impact, pause for emphasis, use words that evoke emotion or action. Section 2. Voice techniques: tone, pace, pause, power words. Tone is the emotion in your voice. It affects how your words are received. Tone type description. Example: warm, friendly, supportive. I'm really glad to be here. Confident, assertive, focused. I believe we can solve this problem. Empathetic, kind, understanding. I understand how that must feel. Enthusiastic, excited, energetic. This is a fantastic opportunity. Practice. Say the sentence: I didn't say you stole the money, with 5 different tones. Pace. Speaking too fast confuses the listener. Sounds nervous, speaking too slow. Sounds dull, may lose audience attention. The goal: a natural conversational pace, not rushed, not dragged. Practice speaking at approximately 120 to 150 words per minute. Pause. Pausing allows the listener to absorb your words, you to breathe and think your message to have weight. A well-timed pause can be more powerful than 100 extra words. Practice. Say the following sentence with a pause after each phrase. Growth is not always visible, but it is always happening if you're consistent. Power words. Power words add emotion, clarity, and emphasis. Examples: unleash, overcome, inspire, urgent, transform, resilient, ignite, breakthrough. Try replacing basic words with power words: bad, devastating, good, impactful. Try commit, help, empower section. 3. Structuring thoughts before speaking. Before you speak, mentally or visually outline your thoughts using this simple method. 3-step structure, the speak method. S. Statement: begin with a clear topic sentence. Self-discipline is the foundation of success. P. Point: back it up with a reason or insight. Without discipline, goals become wishes. E. Example: give a relatable or personal example. When I was preparing for my exam, daily routines helped me stay focused. A. Apply, offer a takeaway or action. If you start small, maybe 10 minutes a day, you'll build consistency. K. Knockout ending. Close with a powerful line or call to action. Discipline isn't a punishment, it's your superpower. Section 4. Engaging an audience, even one person. Connection greater than perfection. Engagement means making eye contact, using gestures, asking questions, even rhetorical, smiling or using humor naturally, sharing real stories. Engaging one person equals engaging 100. The goal is to be relatable, not robotic. Tips for natural engagement. Tip. Example: use names. What do you think, Samuel? Ask questions. Have you ever faced that too? Speak with emotion. This part changed my life. Use open hands. Show transparency and calm. Move with purpose. Don't pace. Own the space. Section 5. Roleplay activity. 2-minute talk. Task: give a 2-minute talk on any self-development topic, such as the power of discipline, learning from failure, building self-confidence. Why consistency beats motivation. Time management for young professionals. Guidelines: Prepare using speak method. Practice tone, pace, pause, and power words. Use natural body language. Begin with a hook. Let me tell you something that changed my life. Example. Talk outline topic. Why failure is a stepping stone. S. Failure is not the end. It's the beginning of growth. P. Every success story has a failure chapter. E. When I lost my first job interview, I thought I wasn't good enough. But I used the feedback to improve, and I got hired the next time. A. Instead of fearing failure, start learning from it. K. Fail forward. It's the fastest path to success. Section 6. Feedback and reflection. After each learner delivers their 2-minute talk, peers or facilitators give feedback on voice and clarity, use of pause, pace, tone, structure and flow of message, engagement with the audience, use of power words or storytelling. Use this format. Element feedback tone, EEG, warm and clear. Structure, EEG, clear beginning and end. Voice, chut, arch, pace. EEG, a bit too fast. Message, EG, relatable and strong. Engagement, EG, nice use of hand gesture. Section 7. Summary and takeaways skill area. Summary voice techniques. Your tone, pace, and pause shape how your message is received. Message structure. Clear organization makes speech easier to follow. Engagement, authenticity, and connection matter more than perfection practice. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Assignment 1. Voice practice. Record yourself speaking for 2 minutes on the one habit that changed my life. Focus on tone and pauses power words. Strong conclusion, listen and write down 3 things to improve. 2. Structure map. Choose a new topic and outline a short speech using the speak method. Topic suggestions: the importance of time, digital learning in the modern world, how I overcome procrastination. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.